My name's Dave Scrivens and I own the detoxguy.ca. So how does the rebounder help with fatigue and energy levels? Well, if you ever think of an Indian rubber ball and how you bounce it on the cement and it kind of absorbs the energy somewhat and then keeps bouncing along, same thing happens to you on the rebounder, except you keep going and going, so you keep that energy in your body. You only lose a little bit, and therefore during a workout or using the rebounder, even micro bouncing over a 20 minute period, you actually attain those energy levels, and it helps throughout the day. So if you think of that, an Indian rubber ball, you think of the rebounder, you think of yourself on it, put it all together, theoretically, and practically in my case, that's how it all works to enhance your energy levels. Of course, if your lymphatic system is not clean in the first place and you already have such problems or problems with your health, you need to get clean first, then it works much better. Thanks a lot, Dave Scrivens. Have a great day.